Next, the perimeter of a rectangle is numerically equal to the area of the rectangle. If width of the rectangle is 3 upon 4 centimeter, then the length is, it means perimeter is equal to area and width is given as 3 by 4 centimeter. This is a mixed fraction. Okay. So first convert 3 by 4 into improper fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3 11 by 4. So width is what? 11 by 4. Now we want length. Now what is given? Perimeter is equal to area. First find the perimeter. Here width you got 11 by 4. Let length be x. So perimeter is what? Of a rectangle. Rectangle perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Length plus breadth. So 2 into x plus 11 by 4. And area is what? Length into breadth. So 11 by 4 into x. Okay. But both are equal. It's given. So 2 into x plus 11 by 4 equals to 11x by 4. So solve this. 2x plus 11 to the 22 by 4 equals to 11x by 4. Then 2x, this 11x by 4 on this side, 22 by 4 on this side. So this becomes minus and 22 by 4 also becomes minus, right? Next, 4 to the 8 minus 11 minus 3x by 4 equals to same minus 22 by 4. Minus minus cancelled. So 3x equals to 22, x equals to 22 by 3. That is the answer of the length. That's what we want.